So my name is Satyam, and this is day 2 of my interview prep journey. And I really want to improve in my problem solving skills and communication skills. With that, let's start with the problem. Okay. So first, let's understand what is the problem and what's all about. Okay. So let's say we have this array. Okay. Our task is to um, have five, basically rearrange 5 at the end of the array. For example, 12, 5, 1, 5, 12, 7, right? So we need to rearrange. For example, let's try to 1, 12, 7, 5, 5, right? So this we need to return from this array, right? And there's one more thing that other than 5 we don't need to check for the order of the other elements. So yeah, we only need to rearrange to the end of an array. Okay, so the approach I will pick is to using two pointer strategy. So what is two pointer strategy? Basically it has 2 points and it points to a different indexes in a given array, right? So let's suppose I have this. I can point I to the start of an array and j to a last index of an array. I will check if j is equal to 5 or not, right? So it is not, right? Then we need to, and we are also checking for the I, if I is equal to 5 or not, right? This is not. So what I will do is increment 5, right? Yeah, right. Then I will check if I equal to 5, it is, right? Then what I will do is replace, or not replace, we will swap the uh, j to I to j, right? So this would give us 12, 7, 1, yeah, 5, 12, 5, right? We have swapped j to I, right? Now our I is here, right? And j is here. Then we check for if j is equal to 5, then we need to decrement, right? Basically we uh, need to check if 5 is not equal to, if j is not equal to 5, then we need to swap it to the right. So we need to find if uh, we need to decrement if 5 is not equal to, if j is not equal to 5. Okay, so we have decremented here. If j, and also we are incremented I, right? Now we will check if j equal to 5, not, right? So if it is not, then we will check for I, right? So I is not equal to 5, then we will increment. So our I comes here and j is here, right? Then I'll check if I equal to 5, it is, then we'll swap, right? So it will be like this. So basically we need to swap elements with using two pointer strategy, right? And swapping element is a constant operation, right? So time complexity will be linear, and this is a very efficient way to solve it, right? For example, I can have some pointers I equal to, this is 0 and right, and can list I less than or equal to j, then we need to continue. I'll check if j equal to 5, then we need to decrement, right? Because we need to find a element which we can swap. Okay, so it should be like this. Then we'll check if I equal to 5. If I equal to 5, then that means we need to swap, right? So not I think this should be here, like, because we are checking in array, right? And we need to swap. So there is a very tricky way. This is a so to swap elements in an array, right? You can use this structure, right? For example, let's say nums I, nums j. I can point to, basically I can reverse this and it will get swapped out. Okay, and this is a constant operation, right? So we have swapped element. If we does not found a 5, that means we need to if it does not found a 5, that means we need to increment, right? To found to get to eventually get a 5, right? If there are, so this should be so, so this looks fine. Let's understand. We are swapping here. If not, we are incrementing. Let's test it. Can define, because we need to return nums, right? Okay, so this is the time complexity for this will be on, and the space complexity will be I think constant will be there, right? Because we are not. Oh, I think, yeah. So space complexity is also on because we are storing 2 pointers here, right? So yeah. With that, I think we have solved this solution. So we have solved this problem. So yeah, bye.